Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we are going to solve question 5 part AE of the 047822 February-March 2024 past paper. The question is, an algorithm has been written in pseudocode to calculate the profit when an item is sold. Values for cost price and selling price are input, the profit is calculated, selling price minus cost price, and output. The input of 0 for either value stops the algorithm. Let's analyze pseudocode. The user is asked to input the cost price and selling price. Then, the profit is calculated by subtracting the cost from the selling price. It uses a post-condition loop to achieve the desired result. The loop continues asking for new inputs and calculating the profit until either the cost price or the selling price is 0. At that point, the algorithm stops. Let's now find out the issues in pseudocode. If we examine line 5, which is supposed to get input from user, but it's using output statement instead of input statement, which is an issue. Great! We have identified the first issue. Now proceeding further in the pseudocode. Look at line 6, which checks if cost is not 0 or selling price is not 0, which allows the calculation of profit even if one value is 0. This goes against the requirement in the question. To fix this, we should change the condition to check both cost price and selling price should not be equal to 0. So we should use logical and instead of or, so the algorithm calculated profit correctly when either input is 0. This is second issue in the pseudocode. Now look at line 10, the next statement is used, but it's not needed for post-condition loops. I recommend you to see video for question number 2 part AE of paper 0478/22 of February-March session 2023. So at line in fact there should be end if statement to close the if block. This is the third issue in the code. Excellent! We have identified all the 3 issues in the pseudocode. So our answer would be, error 1 line number is 5. Output should be the input statement. Error 2 line number is 6. Or logical operator should be an logical operator. And error 3 line number is 10. Next should be replaced by end if statement. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for other questions in this paper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have a nice day.